In today's video, I'll show you how to escalate a ticket in Zoho Desk. Escalating a ticket is useful when an issue is urgent, unresolved, or needs attention from a higher level of support. The process is simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by logging into your Zoho Desk account and opening the Tickets tab. This is where all your customer conversations and active cases are listed. From here, scroll through the tickets and select the one that needs escalation. If you handle many tickets, using the ticket subject or ID can help you find it faster. Once the ticket is open, focus on the left side of the screen where the ticket details appear. Look for the status field, which is usually set to open or in progress. Click on the current status to view the available options. From the list, select the option labeled Escalate. This tells Zoho Desk that the ticket requires higher priority or advanced support. After choosing Escalate, confirm the updated status. Once confirmed, the ticket will be marked as escalated and any escalation rules set by your organization will take effect. This may notify senior agents, change priority levels, or route the ticket to the appropriate team. And that's it. You've successfully escalated a ticket in Zoho Desk. Using escalation properly helps ensure urgent issues are resolved faster and keeps your customer support efficient and responsive. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out more Zoho Desk tutorials for helpful tips.